vulnerable because they weren't able to submerge their whole body underwater, so they were easily spotted. And people hunted them easily and took their skin for like leather and their body fat for oil lamps.
What does the animal eat? Cellar sea cows eat seagrass or kelp. Its favorite food is algae and flowers. Is it a predator, prey, or both? Sea cows are not predators. They don't eat other animals, but they are prey for large sharks and humans. Humans killed cellar sea cows for their fur, meat, and fat. They're herbivores. They only eat plants. Natural selection process. Some animals, such as settler sea cows, depend on a certain food source and cannot adjust to other alterations, whether natural or human causes, or extinction prone.
Relatives number 4, extinction. Some other relatives are dongo and manatees. The dongo is closely related to the manatee, and the manatees can also be known as sea cows.
Fossils. Some fossils were discovered in a sand quarry and collected under the direction of Dr. Samuel P. of UC Berkeley in October 1963. The bones had to quickly be buried under its death before currents and animals scattered the bones. Where to find DNA? Remains of fossils were known to be found as far as the southern coast of California. Individuals or herds were also known to be found near freshwater streams and rivers. Different methods, processes, and that scientists are using. They ask questions, they do background research, they construct a hypothesis, test your hypothesis with experiments, analyze your data, draw a conclusion, communicate your results. Where will work be done? Who will do the work? Work will be done in Yask's capital of Saka, whatever, republic. Also called Jane Goodall and James Watson are going to do the work for trying to bring the settler sea cow back. Steps to take. They ask questions, they get a hypothesis, they test the hypothesis, and they communicate their results to each other. Where will it live once it's brought back? The settler sea cow should live in the ocean near the North Pacific. They need the ocean to survive. They can't live on land. They'll die because there's no water. How will it be conserved or protected? The settler sea cow would be protected probably by moderating, whatever. They would be conserved by ice boxes so the fossils and DNA will stay the way it is until being where it needs to be for bringing it back, if they need to be there.
What animal will serve as the surrogate mother? I think the manatee should serve as the surrogate mother because they're closely related and they're also known as sea cows. Problems and challenges to overcome through the process. Some challenges to overcome through the process are to find a way to get more fossils of the settler sea cow. Some problems we might have throughout the process in which we need to overcome is the cost and danger, if there is any danger, trying to find fossils that are preserved.
What is important to bring back this species or any species? It's important to bring back the extinct species or any species because it would help scientists and people learn about things we probably never knew. And the sea cow could help related animals, species, and mammals population grow. Also, the sea cow could keep the plants from the ocean it eats from growing too large.
A long time ago, a folklore said that sailors and pirates were very frustrated because of loss of food. They would see sea cows in the water and they mistake them for women, which is how the tale of the news came from. When the sea cow was discovered, George named them after his last name, Stellar, since he found or discovered them. They are also known as Hydrodamnus gigas, which is their scientific name. So sea cows only have one baby when they travel in boats. Okay, was it a predator or prey, or like was it both? It wasn't a predator because it ate plants and stuff, but it was prey for large sharks and humans.
Can you tell me again the benefit for bringing back the sea cow?
You can bring it back to keep the plants from going in the ocean to grow larger, like the seagrass. They can take over some parts of the ocean, and if that sea cow comes back, it can eat it and take it down a little bit.
One more, and this could be for either of you. How would you prevent it from becoming extinct?
Monitoring it for a couple of years or 3 years, and then make sure put a law on it where you can't hunt them for the humans, so they can't get their fur and stuff. Brandon. I think it was freshwater. Sometimes some of them lived in freshwater and some of them lived in saltwater.
Are there more than one species of this animal, or is it just
There's manatees. They're related to them.
I consider mammals or fish.
Mammals. Sam.
When did it go extinct?
250 years apart?
I know. Brandon. You. In them.
I think we should put it back, even though it's specific, because it looks that's where it was found, but they should monitor it, kind of keep it in the same area, not let it travel far from the ocean where it can watch it.
The manatees that are in Florida are having problems with the boaters in that area. So how do you think that the entrance of this animal would affect that?
Well, we can repopulate that one, the manatees, and they're connected. They're they're really similar to each other. So we could more of this. It could be a mix of them two. I don't know. I don't know how it affects.
So each of these is at least 8.8 tons. I'm wondering, is there enough food supply in the ocean to have a lot of these today?
No, the seagrass in the ocean, there's a lot of it, and there's a lot of algae. There's too much of it in the ocean, so this could yeah. Yeah.
Not too high, not too low. Any other questions?
Hey, we're done. Isn't as hard as I thought.
All right, so up next is Dr. King, Dr. Amber King.
I don't even think I
Dr.
recorded
Queen,
it.
my bad.
I don't even think I recorded it.